Hi, my name is Frank, and I am from California. I like to party, and I also like tacos. Me and my friends are going bowling later. I wonder where they are. I think that's them now.
Let's go find out. I can't wait to see her.
Hey.
Oh, hey, Lena.
What's up, guys?
How have you been?
Nothing.
Give me a kiss.
Not there yet.
Oh, okay.
So, Lena, tell us about yourself.
Frank, what's with the camera?
It's for something later.
That's so weird, Frank. But anyways, I always like to talk about myself. Anyways, my name's Lena, obviously. I like Netflix, skiing in the mountains. What? Oh! I like Starbucks. I like the vanilla bean mocha, sorry. But if you give me decaf, it's gonna be in you. Treasure's worth. Isn't there supposed to be some black dude coming?
Yeah, my friend Joe.
Joe?
Yeah, Joe Smith.
You told me to start with the R.
I don't have a friend that starts with an R.
So if he comes to the door, and his name starts with R, I'm gonna be on you like white on rice.
I bet.
Is that him?
Let's see.
Sup, man? What's the party at, bro? Oh, yeah, bro. Where's the, what?
Ray?
What's up, man? What you doing?
I thought Joe was coming.
Man, you invited me, Joe's fake.
Wait, whoa. Why do you get walk-up music and I don't?
Hey, yo, man, we're doing this video today. Don't know what it's for. But, man, my name is Ray. Man, I live at the east side of Abington, man, East Hood, man. Man, all I do is put my Glock real quick. Yeah, I don't want to show that on camera. Hold up, bro. Hold up. I'm good. All right. What else do I do, man? My, are we cussing? No, we can't. Censors? Oh, okay, I got you. All right, my person, my people over there. That's my boy, Roderick, Raekwon, Daquan. You want to hear more? No more? Okay. I don't know what to say then. My name Ray, bro. At the party, bro. Man, I came for a party, but I don't see a party anymore. But anyways,
Are you guys sure you want to do this again? You know what happened last time.
yeah, man. I remember me whipping up on all you. Please, Ray. You guys can't be anyone in this room. I bet you can't even be anyone with those dreads hanging off your face. You can't even see the name. Who are you? I bet you, I don't remember you being near my score. Excuse me? It's not, don't lie to yourself.
Boy, you are the worst bowler I have ever seen.
You know what, Frank? Why do you always take his side?
I'm not taking his side.
You always take his side.
No, I'm not.
Hey, calm down, girl.
Hey, Lena, you know what? That's it. I've had enough.
You both suck at bowling anyways. You know what? I don't even care. You all of you.
Hey,
all
Lena,
of you.
Lena,
You
Lena.
guys just hurt my feelings all the time.
Lena.
Yeah, I don't even care anymore.
Oh, Ray, come on now, Ray. Ray.
Who? You're not? Who is that? Who is that, bro?
I don't know. Let me go get the door.
Is this Frank? Yeah? What is it? Your friend Joe has died. What? My friend Joe. Your friend Joe has died. What? My friend Joe? Joe has died. Oh my gosh. This can't be.
Joe died. I think it was the serial killer. We should go looking for him and avenge our friend.
They traveled far to look for the serial killer that killed their friend, Joe.
As they traveled, it began to get dark. And this was the one thing they could not escape, the darkness. Hey man, where do you think the serial killer is?
Bruh, I don't know, man, but I'm getting cold.
What are you talking about, man? It's not even cold out here.
Man, I don't see anywhere. We've been looking at all these. What? Wait. Where's that black bag over there?
Oh, heck nah. Oh, what is... Oh, heck nah.
What is that, bro?
Bro, I don't know. But if it jumps out, I'm gonna start swinging. Bruh.
I'll take first look.
Alright. Hey, man. You gotta look first.
Bruh, I don't know. It's just a black bag. You got that?
Nah, black bag for a black man, you going.
You right, bro. You right, bro.
Well, you better comb your dreads back, he gonna get you.
No comment. Alright, bro. Here you go. Oh!
Oh, what?
What is this? Well, I see a lot of money, bro. I like it, bro.
Hey, who that sexy man?
Hey, Lita! Lita! We found a bunch of money.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's this bag over here? Bruh, I don't know, but it's a bunch of money. I think about $3 grand here, bruh.
Ray, can you even count? That's 3 million.
What's free, bruh? 3 million? 3 million? 3 million? 3 million? Yeah, I said 3 million.
It's not even our money.
So I can take that back to the East Hood with me, bruh.
You live on the east side of Abington.
I'm just East Hood. We need that stuff. Free? Stop. I say that we take this back in town and split it up 3 ways. No, Ray. It's too early. People gonna be suspicious. You right. One of us should go get some drinks. Frank?
Yeah, I'm down.
Alright, we'll stay here and watch the bag. You down, Lena? Yeah. I guess I can stay with you for a little. Alright, bet.
Hello, sir.
Hello? Who's there?
You're in the store, so, I mean, I'm here, over here.
Oh, hey. You got any poison?
Poison?
Yeah, I gotta take care of some rats.
Yeah, it's in the fridge over there.
Okay,
Go ahead.
thank you. They'll never know what's coming. Thinking I won't share that money. That money's gonna be all mine.
Man, he's taking forever. Hey, do you know what I'm thinking, Ray? Why would I know what you're thinking? You have to be rude about it. Anyways, we should just go kill Frank off. What? Frank, what did he do to you? Nothing, but we can get more money. That's a mill. That's a good million over there. Lena, You speaking sense for once.
Hey, I got your drink.
Ah, thanks, bruh. Celebration to the bill we just had.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, bruh. Good job, guys, good job. Yeah, now we get to have it all to ourselves. All this money. Woo! Ha! Oh, yeah. We got all this money ourselves. Time to celebrate with some drinks, bruh. Yeah. Alright. Let's go, bruh. Bruh. I think...
And the moral of the story is, if you go looking for death, death will find you.
Hey, what is this? Bro, we found a bunch of money, bro. What? It's like about $3 grand in the air. That's a bunch of money.
Can you even count? That's 300 grand, Ray.
Oh, bro. What?
You're not even
300 grand?
It's not,
Not
even
even on the
scene.
screen. So I'll have to be on the screen. Boy.
Man, you gotta look first.
Bro, I don't know, bro. It's just a bag. You got that?
Nah, you're the black one.
What? You right, bro. You right, bro.
Use the power of the dreads.
Bro, shut up.
Oh.
Oh, hey. Ah.
Oh.
What is that, bro? Dang, man. I didn't expect it.
I didn't know how far I had to be.
How you gonna show your face?
I didn't know how far I had to be.
Yeah, there's supposed to be some, bro.
What you doing? I hit the chair. Chubby, you don't have to move out the way.